everyone, this is Namju. Today, I would like to try to cook artichoke. I bought this artichoke a few days ago and it started to get dry, so I better cook it. I really do love artichoke on top of the pizza as a topping or in the dip, artichoke spinach dip and stuff. But I have watched a lot of videos like how to cook artichoke and dip it in the melted butter with some garlic. So I would love to try it today. So let's make it together. Or trim it. I would love to let it boil so that, you know, timing effectiveness. So first I need to trim here. This. Then using scissors, cut or trim like this pointy area. This area. Like this. This part, I will just take it off. Oh, and then I forgot that usually they cut in here as well. So what I watched from many videos how to cook artichoke by boiling it is rubbing some lemon on tip of each leaves so that it prevents them from browning. So let's do that. In the water, I will just put a little bit of lemon juice and lemon. Roughly chopped some garlics. Ooh. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for this to be boiled. I'm going to make some dip, which will be very simple. So what I will put will be 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using unsalted butters and 3 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna mince it really finely. And I'm gonna add a little bit of thyme powder and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. This much. And some garlic. And then I'll put it over here. And I'll add a little bit of thyme. Like this much. A little bit of salt and pepper. To microwave this for about 1 minute. It is boiling, so I'm gonna put artichoke over here, the whole of it, boil around 40 minutes. Done, so let's go check this one out. Oh, it's a little hot. Oh, okay, smells so good. Timer is going and I will be back in 4 minutes. Alright, the time is up, so I'm going to take this one out. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like well cooked. To put this one onto the dish, I'm gonna just give some water out there. Here. Ooh, it's hot. Wow. Okay, I'm going to let it cool down just a little bit and let's do taste. Alright, let's try this one. So what I'm going to do is gonna pull one leaf like this, and it will take out like so easily. It looks like a little bit of flash over here. I'm gonna dip it in here and have wow, I can't stop eating. Another one. It's so juicy, and this butter, like really simple butter dip, makes it even better. I love artichoke, but I've never tried just like this as a snack before. I feel like it's really important to show you the more you eat, those leaves are very closer to the heart and it has more flesh. It's just amazing. I will show you. So this leaf, dip it in. If I suck some all those nice flesh, then these are all we left, and this is like so juicy and delicious. This is like more closer. You can eat the whole leaves too. So it's really getting closer to the heart, right? And these leaves now, they are super soft to eat the whole of it. See? This is so good. I'm almost getting closer to the heart. Seriously, I'm just finishing this one in one sitting. Look at that. I think that was the heart. And after that, there's a little like furry stuff here, and I wonder if I can eat this one too. Yes, you can eat this part too. This is delicious. Oh yeah. Oh, I guess maybe this is heart. Either way, they're really good. This one, I think this is the heart. Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable. This part. I literally finished in one sitting. Wow, this is amazing. Alright, so as you can see, I just finished the whole artichoke in one sitting. This shows how good that was. This whole artichoke is very little calorie and so healthy, so delicious, and super easy to make. I really recommend you to make this. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm uploading one video every Saturday at 3 p.m. I share about my thoughts or some lessons that I learned and some food like this and some good drinks or good places. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!